Consider these before you lead. Do you have issues with your boss? Is it part of your prayer list that he will change, or somebody will replace him, and hopefully the replacement is you? Many find fault in their leaders and dreamt that someday they are given a chance to lead. But do you really have what it takes to effectively lead? According to Peter Drucker, management is doing things right, leadership is doing the right things. In many successful family-run businesses, before the child is tasked to lead, parents make sure that the child learns and experiences all aspects of the business. It's not enough to have a degree from prestigious schools. It's important that the child's skill has ripened over time through experience before he leads. 3 things are worth pondering before becoming a leader. 1. Leadership is a calling. The Apostle said in Romans 12 verse 8, "If your gift is to encourage others, be encouraging. If it is giving, give generously." If God has given you leadership ability, take the responsibility seriously. And if you have a gift for showing kindness to others, do it gladly. There are people appointed by God to lead. They have the natural ability to inspire people to do what needs to be done. If your gift is not leadership and you are desiring to lead, you may be happy for a while in the position given to you, you will suffer in future. If God calls you to lead, then lead as best as you can. But if not, don't force it. Be comfortable and happy with the assignment and calling God has given you. 2. Always lead from a position of servanthood. Many have wished to get a higher leadership role in their office, because the higher the role, the higher the salary. What they have missed is the weight of the responsibility that goes with the position. Many books were written about the leadership style of Jesus. And if Jesus is the basis for good leadership, we can see that an effective leader is not someone who gives instruction but one who serves. It says in Mark 9 verse 35, sitting down, Jesus called the 12 and said, "Anyone who wants to be first must be the very last, and the servant of all." You aspire to be a leader? Are you ready to serve? 3. A good leader is intent on focusing. Tim Ferriss said it this way, "To be a good leader, you cannot major in minor things. To get the few critical things done, you must develop incredible selective ignorance. Otherwise, the trivial will drown you." We have seen this in Jesus. He was so focused on the assignment that God gave him. He knew that he had 3 years to do his tasks on earth. He knew that he won't be physically around to run the movement that he started, so he focused on laying down its firm foundation. A good leader knows he should focus. Many will demand your time and attention. Many distractions will come. A good leader knows where to focus his time, strength, and attention. Remember this: leadership is a calling. Servanthood is the best position to be a leader. And a good leader has a clear focus. These are the three important things that you need to consider and understand before you wish to become a leader.